Alright, got a new video for you. This is the fender for passenger side fender, 499 Civic. And I'm going to show you how I put in my JDM style side marker lights. I've already did the first fender off camera, as you can see, and I went ahead and put my fender flare back on. Put my flares on all the way around since I got a new set. The way I have the matching, I don't have skinnies in the front, bigs in the back. But anyway, I'm going to show you how I did it. Alright, in 1 minute and I'll get it going and explain the process. Alright, I got my piece of tape marked. I went up from this spot right here 6.5 inches, which it's 155 millimeters, which is like 6.1, bunch of random ass numbers, so I went 6.5. And then from this edge over was like 140 millimeters, which is like 144 millimeters, I think, which is like 5 point some shit, so I went 5.5. And the center mark, of course, is where the center of my template's gonna go. And let me find my template that I made. And give me 1 minute. Alright, here's my template I made. I made that out of a piece of cardboard. These lights aren't exactly the same as the depot ones or others that you get online. So the templates, the cutout templates and marks for them, everything like that you get out online, aren't quite the same. So what I did is I got it marked dead center. So what I'll do is trace it out and then I will cut it out. And I will show you that here in just 1 second. Alright, my template's traced. What you'll see a lot of people do is they'll drill holes and then you'll use metal nibblers to nibble it out. What I'm going to use is my dremel with a flex shaft head and cut off blades. When you do this, it kicks up a lot of dust, so wear eye protection and breathing protection, and cover your ears with some sort of earplugs or something like that as well. Alright, I'm going to get this cut out and I'll be right back with you. Alright, I don't know how well you could actually see that while I was recording up there. But we got my hole cut out. Now we're going to try and install the light. Give me just 1 second. I'll see how we go. Alright, so I got the hole just a little snug, which is what we wanted. But I'm going to have to go through and just a little bit trim and shave out of the bottom here. Just a hair. Maybe out of the top here I could knock some out there too. Go ahead and knock that out and I'll get right back at you. Alright, I got my hole cut and it's notched where it needs to be. See, these lights are a little bit different. It's got that tab right there in the front. Slide that in right there. Push that in and that helps lock it in place. Let's see if I can do this here. One-handed. That easy. Did you see it? Let's do it again. Alright. Slide it in. Push it down. That's how you know you got a good fit. Alright. Now all there's left to do is wire it. Now mine come with a 2-wire harness. Some that you get come with a 3-wire. What you do is you can wire it in, wire it to your blinker, where it comes on when your running lights come on. You can wire it to either where to blink with your blinkers, or you can just run it to where it comes on at all times. I ain't figured out how I'm going to do it yet. I don't have power currently on my car due to the process of swapping out and putting new engine harness in. So when I get all that finished, should be this weekend, I can put my battery back on the car and I can show you how to wire them up. But for now, that's how I did my install on these. Now all you got to do afterwards is move your tape. All you got to do is pop your light out, pull your tape off. You'll want to clean these edges up, hit them with a little bit of primer. You can put some silicone on them if you want to kind of help keep water from running in there. I'm not worried about it. I'm not running inner fenders. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, everything like that. Share the video. I'd appreciate it. Y'all have a good night now. Alright, so I've got the side marker lights on. Here in a couple days I'll do an update video of the wiring itself. I got the fender flares on as well. And I'll go ahead in a few days I'll be doing a update video showing the wiring, how to do it, everything like that. So until then.